Oh my god, Cleveland. I mean, Cleveland's show, Family Guy, they are friends.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Anyways, having fun with my ruffle chips.
What are you doing?
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god, you always love Ruffle Chips.
Yeah.
Even though Mario from Super Mario Galaxy 64,
Yeah, what about it?
you know, Mario was in love with spaghetti.
Cause Mario was in love with spaghetti. I don't know why. Anyways, I got a funny meme. La-dee-da-dee-day. Slime-a-me-nay.
No, don't talk about that meme.
Yes, I am talking about that meme. Here it goes.
I don't get it.
You don't get it?
No. Ouch.